And thinking about how to make our messages effective, we want to use I and you in really deliberate and specific ways. For example, it is important in my professional emails that I use I to take responsibility for the actions that I have completed. I finished the report last week, or the actions that I plan to do in the future. I will call that client tomorrow. We want to use I for the actions that we are responsible for. However, where we use I in speaking to each other to claim that speaker role, everything you write is in that speaker role. All of the things in the email are your thoughts, your ideas, your opinions, your beliefs, right? So when we're writing, I think we should, I wanted to, I know that this is a good idea, I believe these things. When we are writing, I feel, I think, I know, I believe, we are emphasizing that the things that we are writing are our own ideas. But it's not as necessary to do that in writing because the entire message is already your ideas.